5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25, right? 25 minus 25, right, plus it times 100 divided by 100. Now 25 minus 25 equals 0 plus it times 100 divided by 100. Now 0 plus 8 equals 8, right, times 100 divided by 100. Now 8 times 100 divided by 100 equals 1, right? Now 8 times 1 equals 8. But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because exponent must be done before addition and subtraction. Then multiplication and division must be done after exponent. Then addition and subtraction must be done after multiplication and division. So follow the order of operations. We use Lambda's rule. Parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. So exponent first, right? This. So 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25, right? 25 minus 25 plus 8 times 100 divided by 100. Now multiplication and division must be done from left to right. So 25 minus 25 plus 8 multiply 100 divided by 100 equals 1, right? So now multiply first. 25 minus 25 plus 8 times 1 equals 8. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. 25 minus 25 equals 0 plus 8, right? Now 0 plus 8 equals 8.